This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick and vinyl home on approximately 0.48 acre lot on golf course in Woodbridge subdivision in Kings Mountain. Open floor plan. Hardwoods, carpet and tile. Living room with vaulted ceiling and gas log fireplace. Dining room has heavy molding. Breakfast room. Kitchen has breakfast bar, tile backsplash, granite countertops, newer stainless appliances and a walk-in pantry. Laundry room has a laundry sink and a folding area. Primary bedroom has a double tray ceiling and a walk-in closet. Primary bath has a double vanity tile walk-in shower and a soaking tub. Bedroom 3 has a vaulted ceiling. Bonus room is large. Home has a covered front porch, a rear deck, rear paver stone patio and double garage. The beautiful backyard is fenced. Deck is composite. Heat pump was new in 2022. Convenient to Highway 74 and I-85. For more information.